In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription step by step. Whether you're switching to another platform or just taking a break from email marketing, knowing how to properly cancel or pause your subscription is important so you don't get charged unexpectedly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the website loads, log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After logging in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, click on Account and Billing. This is where you manage everything related to your subscription, payments, and billing details. Once you're inside the Account section, look for the Settings option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage My Plan. This will take you to the page where you can control your subscription status. At this point, Mailchimp gives you two main options. You can either pause your billing or permanently delete your account. If you want to stop payments temporarily but keep all your data, choose the Pause Billing option. This is useful if you're not currently running campaigns but plan to return later. Your data, contacts, and campaigns will remain saved, and you can resume anytime. On the other hand, if you want to completely cancel your subscription and remove your account, choose Permanently Delete this account. This is a more serious step because it removes all your data from Mailchimp. Before proceeding, Mailchimp will usually show you a warning explaining what will be deleted. Take a moment to read this carefully so you fully understand the consequences. You may also be asked to confirm your password or complete a security step to verify your identity. This ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Once you confirm everything, your subscription will be canceled, and if you chose deletion, your account will be permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Mailchimp subscription. Just remember, if you think you might use the account again in the future, pausing billing is often the safer option instead of deleting everything. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.